Hello everybody, welcome back with Let's Cook with Omar. Today our dish is Pesto Steak. What we need for this dish, let's start. I have here four slice steak. We need mushroom, parmesan and mozzarella cheese, black pepper, salt, lettuce, eggplant, zucchini, tomato, butter, olive oil, flour. We need here 1 egg with the milk, breadcrumbs, and also we have pesto sauce, salsa, and we need also heavy cream, and we need potato. After we boil the potato, we start mashing. Now we add salt, black pepper, and we make small balls. And we add in the flour first. Then we add the milk with egg. Then with the breadcrumbs. And we keep going. And now we are ready to fry this. Now we prepare the side dish. We need zucchini and tomato and eggplant. Let's start. Have eggplant, okay, we take 1 tomato, one eggplant, 1 tomato and 1 eggplant. And remember, all the Italian dish they like olive oil. Salt, black pepper, now we put in the oven for 375 for 15 minutes. And now we are doing another side dish. We need tomato, then we cut half. Got olive oil, and we need mushroom, salt, black pepper, and we put mozzarella cheese. And in 375 we put for 10 minutes. Let's put. Now we start with the steak. We take our steak and we try to cut half. You don't have to open, just leave it like that. For steak, we add the butter. And with the butter we put little olive oil because we don't want the butter to burn. We add salt, black pepper and salt. And fry. We are going to make the best. We add the butter. Now we add the heavy cream. We add the mushroom. And we add the beef. Our dish almost done. Now we will show you how to present this dish. Take the lettuce. Slice zucchini, carrot, cucumber and carrot. Potato. Take the tomato. And our steak. Parmesan cheese. And little sauce on the top. Now we are ready to eat. If you like this dish, please don't forget, subscribe, like and share. See you next.